Welcome to today's video. Many people enjoy using Tumblr to connect with others, but sometimes you may want more control over who can contact you. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of managing your messaging settings on the Tumblr app. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then, click on Account Settings. Inside the account settings, from there, choose the option labeled Messaging. At the top, select Messages. You will now see two options. Everyone can message you, or only Tumblrs you follow can message you. Finally, choose the setting that best suits your needs. Once you select it, your preference will be updated instantly, giving you full control over who can send you messages on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.